Let us walk you through the installation process for hanging our digital wall murals. Tools are required for installation of our digital wall murals. We recommend the following as a good installation kit for the job. Firstly, before installation, ensure you have followed good wall preparation steps. The walls must be sanded, sealed, and then sized using our sure stick size. Check your wall panels. Verify you have received all of the panels required for the job. Check the position of the individual panels to ensure you understand how you are going to hang them on the wall, and also check for any damage or imperfections. Review the number of panels in the mural. If an even amount, then draw a vertical line to mark the centre of the wall. If an odd amount, then draw a vertical line to mark the centre of the wall, and then 2 lines either side of the centre line at half the width of the panel. Apply paste to the wall. When pasting, paste the width of the panel plus an additional 5 cm each side, so you can paste the next drop without getting paste on the surface of the paper. If you find you have got paste on the surface, dab lightly with a slightly damp cloth to get it off. Be generous when you're putting paste on the wall. Install the first drop. At the bottom of each drop there is a picture showing the entire mural with an arrow to the drop you are hanging and where it fits into the entire mural. Start by placing the first panel at the top, using the vertical line drawn previously with an overhang above the wall of around 5 cm past the intersection of the wall and ceiling. Smooth down the paper with the wall covering pressing roller, working from the top to the bottom of the wall, ensuring there are no air bubbles and the edges stay on your pencil markings. Once the first panel is hung correctly, start hanging the subsequent panels. Follow the numbering, taking the first panel edge as a reference. Place the following panel edge at the same level of the previous panel edge. You can move the new panel either up or down so the print matches. Ensure your knife is sharp, and if you're working with a snap-off blade, ensure you have snapped the blade off to start with. A sharp knife is key to a tidy and seamless cut. Using a straight edge, push the panel flush against the wall and into the intersection you are working with. For example, the ceiling to wall, skirting to wall, door or window, and then cut. Continue following these steps until all panels are hung on the wall. Now stand back and admire your newly transformed wall.